around 5240s. This is the zone, and also with the moving average, this is the zone where the market found a resistance, and that again it came down and tested this 5220. So the 5220 formed a good support for crude oil. You can see this is acting as a support, and here it took the support, and the previous days also it took the support. So after taking a support from here, the market went and bounced back and again tested the intraday high, and it couldn't sustain there, and the failure to break the high, and then again the market dropped and consolidated here. One thing we should note is that the price is taking a resistance around 5240s, and it's taking a support around 5220s. But you can see that in the later session the price is not dropping below 5230, and it is staying above 5220, not even testing the 5220. That is a point which should be noted. And again the price, because yesterday also we have crude oil inventory report, that might be the reason the price was consolidating a lot to find a clear price direction for intraday trading. And when we get the news, the price bounced back, and this 5240 was clearly broken, and this 5240 zone now acted as a support for crude oil market. And you can very well see that after this breaking, this 5260, which was an intermediate resistance, was also broken, and again after breaking that, you can very well see, you notice this 5220.60 acted as a support for crude oil market, and it gave a clear bounce back, and the price closed around 5312. So when we compare that yesterday's closing, that is 5312, with yesterday's opening, we can see the yesterday's market opened around 5230s, and yesterday's market closing is around 5320, and that is completely dominated by buyers in the later evening session. In the earlier session there was a 50-50 chance for both buyers and sellers, but in the later session it was dominated by the buyers. But the point should be noted is that the price didn't close above the major resistance zone. So this is the resistance zone which we expected to find a strong resistance. Crude can find a strong resistance. The price didn't break this zone, and the price didn't close above this zone. The price closed within this zone. And since we expect the crude oil to open around 5290 to 5280, this is the zone where we are expecting crude to open today. Since the expected opening is not above the major resistance zone, we can say crude can continue its downtrend for today also. The pullback yesterday is only an indication that the price can go higher, but it is not a confirmation. We will get confirmation if the price is only closing above 5360, and if the price is staying comfortably above 5320. So if the price is staying above 5320, and if we see any patterns like this, having a good support, how it took the support around 5220, it should take a support around 5320, and it will be, if the price is going higher, surely it will be taking a support like that, and then closing above 5360 can confirm a good buying in crude oil. Till then, it is an indication that the market can go for a buying, but it is not a confirmation. Since there is no confirmation that the price is not going higher, and today's opening was also expected to be below the previous major resistance zone, so we consider selling in crude oil. Today we are expecting crude to stay down. Conservative traders can wait for a trend confirmation, and then you can go for a call. Other than that, there is no doubt that crude can go down for today, having a resistance around 5220 and a major resistance around 5360, and you can place a stop loss around 5370. This is the way where we test the major trend. Always we trade with the trends. So the major trend is going to be within this zone. So only if the price is going to cross this zone comfortably, then we will also be comfortable in taking a reversing call, that is an uptrend call, that is going to be buying in crude oil. So till then we can test the market with selling. Conservative market, conservative traders can stay away and wait for trend confirmation. But other than that, it is no doubt that crude can possibly drop down. Yesterday's pullback is only an indication that the crude bounced back, because it was dropping from 5000 around 5520s. So a 100-point bounce back is quite normal for profit taking, and also it was also good firmly supported by the Indian rupee price that gave quite a good pullback. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading sessions and the targets. Or you can very well, we are again saying that try to book the profit for average lots at regular intervals. which means this 5260 is going to be the support zone, and this 5220 can be the next target. These are the targets where we can expect in crude oil if the trend continues. And please note that all the traders who is going for selling should maintain a very strict stop loss around 5370, because if the price is going to cross 5360 and if there is any closing above that, it is going to be a reversal. That is the trend can turn. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.